Head is a call.
The batting lineup: Amu Sharks, Abdul Malik.
तो पोहनी प्रेकड़ा सिद्दीक कातल ब्याम दलता मिस बिल्डिंग दा शॉट फाइन लेग बाउंड्री पलूरी बांधी आओ तो ता बाउंड्री से खदा बांधी सलूर मंडी लुमड़ी सलूरी ज्यादा बंदी आमिर खमारानु
Uruste bal the lumdi over. Oh, pas the pore on drive out. Saloriza. Doma boundary हुआ पदरवाना वर की दस दिकुले आता ला बैठ सका लुमड़िया और रुस्ता तमंडी बगैर लकुम तावाना लुमड़िया वर तसा ओ मोहम्मद शहजाद शपकीजा बस स्क्वायर लेग बांधे मौका होमवर्ड अगर साथ उनकी तामा रसीद की नकीदला आवाज़ से शार्ट मार देता ला बैठ सका पर 2014 नड़ेवाल जाम के उम्मीद ले उधर कागीसु रबाडा पर उड़ांदे
बिल्कुल शहजाद मोहम्मदी दगा शॉट से खदा सरगंदी चिनन भविष्यन जाय बांधी द पात के दो उम्मीदुना और हिली ज्यादा दी वाली ची उशपाने तर सर की द क्रिकेट में नवालो लपारा द बंदी आमिर खमारानो लपारा दामगोरू बिल्कुल द लोपसार
लक्स का शाता वलाड़ो शाकिर से दोस्ते पर शायद मौका वे
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सनात से मख क्यों खुदलता दा लोपसार मुहम्मद
डगर साथ उनके इस्ताखो हंसे पस द पूरी वा बरियाले नो शो बिल्कुल सलूरीजा
और ड्राइव बिल्कुल टॉप द बाउंड्री पलूरी सलूर मंडी बेहतरीन सलूरीजा
मौका नष्ट डगर साथ उनकी द जखपल जीना उखजीगी सलूरीजा द एकेडमी एंड ना शॉट मोहम्मद शहजाद वाइड लॉन्ग ऑन द डीप मिड विकेट तरमन सलूरीजा
Oh, clean ball! Excellent! Tremendous! बेहतरीन पसड़ पूरी
या من همزه خواپسی که سیدی کل سو بلاکر صدیق ته وخت ورنکه چې د
That's a good shot, but and that will run down to the boundary. Welcome to Hashmatullah Shahidi version 3.0. He said he's changed his game, and we can see that. Makes room, and sends this to the boundary to finish off the power play with 50 for 1. Is that in the gap? Is that in the gap? Starts off after the power play with a boundary, Hashmatullah Shahidi.
I don't think Ashraf, the skipper of the Shark, has got the field right. The square leg fielder was front of square, and Aftab was trying to bowl the bouncer. If he's trying to bowl the bounce, it's always important to have the square leg behind square. The ball.
Hashmatullah Shahidi has different plans, comes down the track and sends this for a maximum. I was sensing that probably a shot, a risk to take, and it pays off for Hashmatullah Shahidi. 65 for 1 after 8.
لپاره یمین احمد زین انتخاب شوی دی او د کټ شاټ او سلور منډه سکوير کټ د محمد شهزاد محمدي لوري او په سلوریز سره
تصویر خروان دی له شهزاد سره په ملګرتیا کې یو ځل بیا د شاټ هڅه کیږي او بال له باونډري څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره سر په سر دوه څلوري ترلاسه کوي شهزاد نن ارادي خطرناک دي پاروانه لوبه کې او یو په زړه پورې بیټینګ نندارې پاته دیر شو درې څلوېښت منډې بهترین ملګری شاټ دی دلته او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره که تېره لوبه کې وګورو او نن وګورو حشمت شپږیزه بهترینه لوبه जारी साथी
بیا هم د غټ شاټ هڅه او بالکل شپږیزه کیڼلاسې د کیڼلاسي پر وړاندې او حشمت الله شهیدي بریالی دی.
بالکل که وګورو حشمت بهترینه لوبه دوام لري او د دوی ترمنځ دغه ملګرتیا لا هم پسې غځېږي په 41 بالونو 50 ملګرتیا رښتیا هم د
دلته محمد شهزاد محمدي شپږیزه ترلاسه کوي. محمد شهزاد له دې سره نیمه سلیزه هم بشپړوي. اتصالات جام د شپږیزې کرکټ په تاریخ کې څلورمه نیمه سلیزه د محمد شهزاد محمدي له لورې په ځانګړي انداز او ځانګړي سلیبریشن سره ډریسنګ روم طرف ته وایي چې زه شتون لرم ستونزه نشته.
بال ګورو څومره په ښه انداز راواخیست او له بونډۍ څخه بهر یې د شپږو منډو لپاره ورګزار کړ او 50 هم په شپږیزه ترلاسه کړي. که نه نو د دوی لپاره هدف غټ 2 قدمه وړاندې او بال له بونډۍ څخه بهر دی بلې غټې شپږیزې لپاره هیڅ یو فیلډر ته د بال د نیولو چانس نشته. یوازې ننداره ده څه یو بهترینه شاټ او نن شارټ سلیکشن انتخاب ډیر عالی دی. تیره لوبه او نن یو ځل بیا حشمت په غټو شاټونو برلاسی دی.
The slower delivery, which Faruqi believes in fireworks. This should be taken. Oh! This grew on him. Shehzad owns the ground.
A blazing strike from Mohammad Shehzad. Flat and hard. He's got tremendous power. And he's using it effectively. Look at this. He slammed it flat just over that fielder. Even Kiran Pollard wouldn't have reached. That was a...
He's sticking to what has worked for him across levels, and Hashmat continues his half-century spree, second on the trot for the skipper. A subdued celebration suggesting that the game is still not done, the job is still not done.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant from Hashmat. He's suffering.
Partnership. One-handed, but in the gap. Precision, power, he's got all.
When it comes to using angles, when it comes to finding gaps, he's
Position, I thought, and suddenly realized the ball has moved further away. He had plan B, and that's exactly why he found a boundary. This would be another boundary. Oozing control this time around. Shehzad.
excellent stroke making, strong hands. And he's middling everything today. He's just opening the face. That was not a good effort from the fielder there. Fielder in position. The bowler will be unhappy. The captain will be enraged. That should have been stopped. But loose in the field.
Only height, no distance. Aftab's called for it and pouches the catch. Running backwards wasn't simple. But with Shehzad to be back in the heart, nothing had to be simple. It was that kind of a day for Shehzad. But it's got to an...
Trying to play too many strokes, a little bit of extra bounce, looking to work through the onside, getting the top edge, and that was very well judged catch taken by Aftab Alam. Not an easy catch to be taken by the fast in front. Swung away on the onside. A mighty stroke from Hashmat.
He will not hold back. That's the 5th Shpagiza for Hashmat. There was asked to be hit, and that hint of turn towards Hashmat didn't help the bowler at all. Got enough bat on it, and the win.
But in this innings has been sublime. There you go, as we speak. No, not much bat, but it was a drop catch. But interesting to see whether he
The stage is set, and this is why. 4 runs.
Yep. If I put my umpire's hat on, Fidai, that's a 6.
Well, they adjudicated that as a boundary, but now they are going to change that decision. There you go. There you go. Insult to the injury. It's not 4, it's 6. Up for Bandiami Dragons. He has a shot towards the deep. Fine leg for another 4.
The Aftab Bala rubbing so.
Slow one, he plays it. Fielders inside the circle. The ball is running down to the boundary. I don't think it'll have the legs to run to the boundary, but it does. Poor fielding. It continues to be really poor show in this over. Full toss. Down to the boundary for 4. This is turning out to be a very expensive over. 19 runs off it so far. One more delivery to be bowled.
For Ashraf to bowl it way outside the off stump and get it away from the hitting arc, but if they'll miss a length, he'll go the distance. It's a matter of just 6 inches.
Here in Afghanistan, they love their heroes, and they will love this. This is lofted for a maximum from Hashmatullah Shahidi. A full toss receives the treatment. 177 for 2 after 18. Have a look at that. It was a full toss. He fired that. He wanted a block hole. Missed it by a small margin. Hashmatullah Shahidi.
He's coaching.
Oh, he's high in the air. Will that be taken? Yes, Fazalak Farooqi bowls a brilliant penultimate over. One more delivery to be bowled, but he sends back the dangerous Gulbadin Naib.
Yeah, beginning of this so. Yes, implementation is good to have a hero, but do it your own way. Say Sadikul as well. The first ball picks up the slower delivery and dispatches Fazalak Farooqi over the square leg boundary for a Spagiza.
He does it his own way. That's how he bats. He's an explosive batter who's been promoted ahead of Rahmanullah Zadran because they need some firepower down at the end, and he sends off the slower delivery.
A 9 o'clock start is a different story. Slow ball bouncer, and Yamin does the business. Hashmatullah Shahidi was trying to do the right thing, trying to smash every delivery. This was nicely disguised slow delivery by Yamin.
Yeah, well played. Brilliant inning comes to an end. Yeah, this is well played. This will run down to the boundary. Yamin Namazai will have only himself to blame for that.
Yeah, poor delivery down the leg side.
200. It always matters when you get to 200. Slower ball, waited for it. Fielders inside the circle. The ball is running down to the boundary and does reach the boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. 199. One more delivery to be. Well, Siddiq and Shahzad opened the end.
Yamin was excellent with the new ball as well as Farooqi. Dragon should be attacking and try and pick up wickets. Oh, what a start. The first ball on the up through the offside. A sublime cover drive brings up the ball.
Takes the edge, flies over the gully region for 4. Not in control of the shot once again, getting a little bit of extra bounce. Swung away on the onside, straight to the fielder at deep square. Abdul Malik is out. After conceding a boundary, he takes a wicket, Salim.
That's just bad luck for Malik. Only 3 fielders in the leg side and he picks up the...
Powerfully struck, not quite getting the timing. Oh, that was powerfully done and into the gap for 4.
Hashmatullah Shahidi had extra cover. He had absolutely no clue because it whistled past his probably the knee. Gazanfar, that was 2-4. Shouting Ashraf, when he hits the ball, it stays hit. Almost clear.
Gets it over the fielder and away to the fence for 4.
Pace getting onto the bat. Try and make the most of it. On the up. Hashmatullah Shahidi at mid-off. He gives up. And that's a Spagiza. The first one of the innings.
A powerful stroke, an outstanding stroke from Hassan Shakil. He trusts his ability to clear the boundary, clear the 30-yard circle. It cleared the boundary, standing tall and smacking it over mid-off. An expansive stroke, short boundaries. They always.
The ball as soon as goes aerial, just like that, and goes the distance. This occasion, couple of bounces into the boundary, as intentions are pretty clear, and create enough doubt on the batsman's mind.
May not have timed it well, but he has enough wood onto it to take it to the boundary for 4. As he go down the pitch, attempting a sweep. He has already started to celebrate. Ghaznfar has struck. Not a convincing stroke offered from Ashraf. He's gone.
The replay will show you a couple of things off the.
A predetermined stroke. He's taking his one end off, and look at the celebration from Mohammad Shahzad.
We have to get some dancing class tips from Mohammad Shahzad for that dance. That was excellent. Keeping the rhythm going, easy as it gets, and he gets the moves out.
دو بال نو تر دې وخته کومه منډه نه ده ورکړې خو دغلته غټ شاټ او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر دی یوې غټې شپږیزې لپاره هېڅ یو فیلډر ته د بال د نیولو چانس نشته یوازې تماشه ده او غټه شپږیزه
او دا ځل کراس حساني ساحل وړاندې هم د هغه له بیټ څخه څو شاټونه موږ ولیدل څو په زړه پورې شاټونه دا ځل وروسته پیچ کړل لوړ ساتلی اوس چانس که د حساني ساحل وګورو او لوړ پاتې شوی هماغه و چې د شاټ هغه ته
وروستی بال ترسره کیږي دغلته بال د باونډرۍ په لور روان دی فیلډر د بال نیولو هڅه کوي او څلور منډې راځي تر وروستیو دغه بال تعقیب کړ غوښتل بال له باونډرۍ څخه راایساره کړي خو
لسم پړاو شپږیزه کرکټ لیګ کې د بندي امیر لوبډلې برخه دی ډېر ښه بهترینه کټ دی د حساني ساحل له لورې پاورفول او دلته ښه ننداره ده د نوموړي لورې څه وخت چې هلته بهترینه وه لږه څه ډول مو څه یادونه کوله عمران میر په اپ سایډ کې ډېر پیاوړی
ګلبدین شاټ او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د یوې غټې شپږیزې لپاره بهر ورګزار کړ ښه راتګ نه دی د ګلبدین څلوریزه وایټ او یوه منډه ورپسې سنګل او ورپسې غټه شپږیزه ازل ډیفاین لیک ټارګیټ او بال د شپږو منډو لپاره تر وروستیو دغه بال تعقیب کړ
باډي لنګویج په زړه پورې بهترینه دغه شاټ ته یې ځان اوږد بیټنګ لیانه په سره شته دی خو دوی باید دغه پارتنرشپ ته دوام ورکړي ایچ دی او دلته وکټ ننګیال خروډي په راتګ سره وکټ ترلاسه کړه او ګلبدین نایب د خپل ځانګړي سټایل سره کیچ ترلاسه کړ
بالکل ښه راتګ دی د ننګیال خاروټي له لورې ښه بال په ښه ځای کې تجربه کاره لوبغاړی دی او دوه قدمه وړاندې بال پسې او غټه ګراوند څخه بهر شپږیزه
او بهترینه عمران میر دا ځل د قدمونو استعمال په زړه پورې او د بیټ وړاندې کول په زړه پورې او د زور په دغه شاټ کې څومره خیره واخیست او باید بل بال راشي
Rides the bounce and glides it delicately, delightfully, deliciously for 4.
Slower delivery, and the finger has gone up. Gulbadin shows the muscles again. This is a big wicket. The partnership that was just about prospering has also ended. And Imran
چیسیبل دي په کار دا ده چې دوی د خیال وساتي او دلته بیا هم توپ ته مخامخ باونډرۍ څخه د باندې څلور منډې
کړې وې عمران 15 کړې وې पेस के कमे विकेट कीपर होम ने देता हुआ दले बाय सलूरिजा
कमो फिक्र कड़ई पसल
इजहार होक नवीद आउटसाइड एज लगे की फील्डर स्टाव सलीम साफे होम न तवानी की कैचुना मैचुना गटी को कचे तवनी वर्षी सलूरिजा होम शो कैची होम ड्रॉप का
दामून हंगानो तरमेन दाजल शॉट बिल्कुल आसमान सकश बगीजा सुल्तानिश बगीजा तूफानिश बगीजा
वाओ शाकिर द बैट द क्रस ना मालूम है तो चश्पकी ज़्यादा इजहारुल हक नवीद पर उड़ान दे शाहिदुल्लाह कमाल कमाल तख्पल बैट कमाल खाई
दाम गुरु बिल्कुल
रुदा मंजने बरखदलोबे ओ इसाक रहीमी यू ब्यूटी सलोर मंडे
बिल्कुल अपरकट शॉट बेहतरीन पजड़ पूरी
बेतराजुलो बेता डेर पजले पूरे शॉट जोरदार शॉट हेच्छा त मौके नश्ता आप लॉन्ग बांधी सलूरिजा खावर दे दा हम तकरीबन 10 मंडे पे रागली दी आओ सलूरिजा
बिल्कुल दगर सातुन की आवाज नंदारा कई जाय पजाय बांधी वाला दी खुदा कमाल
ओ खराब बॉल पिंजा बखा मखारा हजी गजन फर खफे पहल न दे दोम स्पेल की खपल दो विशकड़ी साक शॉट नतीजा स्तासी मखकिदा उगदा लोड़श पकीजा
दाजल नो इसहाक रहीमी रिप्ले गुरु द गजन फर पौड़ान दी बिल्कुल शय और तमा तकड़ा او د مړون څخه واکنن لکه څنګه چې مخکې ته مړون څخه ډیر کوي دا دازل سلاک سویپ او توپ تا کیچ اوټ بالکل لدې سره رحیمی پانی ته د پای ټکیږ دی نور په لوبغالي کې د پات
This is how Ishaq Rahimi got out. It was a little late on that, we'll say. He played it well, but straight into the hands of the fielder. Ala Mohammad Ghazanfar was sent for the task to break this partnership. Yeah, to the pads. Not a good delivery to welcome Samila Shinwari, and he says, thank you very much, I will take that. It's in the slot, that's high in the air, but they'll clear the fence. That's a maximum. Bad ball takes the punishment.
Yeah, bad delivery. When the slow ball bounce is working, why not continue with it? Going for the Yorker, you miss the length against a player like Shinwari, who's very strong through the leg side. You pay the price. That was a Yorker which is about a couple of feet short. Take a look at that for a swing. Big broad shoulders, strong forearms coming into play. And it's a Spagiza.
To bring in Izhar. What do you think about this?
Risk taken by Shahidi by bringing a spinner, and the first ball itself, that was a good slug sweep by Kamal. I picked it as it's a googly, but when a batter is batting so well, yeah, confirmation, it was going away from the left-hander. But when you have the momentum going forward, and you have the courage for the last few,
A bit of a niggly ad. Don't give it to him there. It's high in the air. He hasn't been able to middle it. That's a wicket. Good catch. So the ploy has worked.
risk was taken by Shahidi, and he gets the big one of Shinwari, just quietly picking up
Bat. He's got hundreds. And he's placed that right into the hands of Hashmatullah Shahidi, who says thank you very much. 2 wickets in that over has changed things back into the favour of Bande Amir Dragons after 177 for 7.
and 9 runs, 2 wickets, just what the doc.
Only off that over. Again, he's bowled it into the wrong area. He seemed to have forgotten the lesson, and he's punished.
Yeah, Khalil went for the Yorker just because he bowled a dot delivery in the previous delivery of a same line and not the length. He was targeting the length fuller, but he missed out the length, and that's just a short arm jab, checking his drive and all.
Has a swing at that. And that's a maximum. That's a Spuggies off the bat of Qais. We are up for a thriller. It's only 9 needed of the last 5 deliveries.
This is good batting by Qais Ahmed. Probably anticipating a slow ball, batting deep in his crease. And that flat bats it. Feel that long off. It was a close one. But that was a good shot. Never easy a slow ball to be playing the flat bat. And Qais Ahmed, we spoke about his abilities to hit big sixes. And from the first ball.
Long off. What is it going to be? Qais Ahmed. He has a swing at that. That's high in the air. That's a maximum. Spuggies off the bat of Qais Ahmed to bring in the victory for the Ammu Sharks, who win it in style of the last ball of their innings.
As they say, never write off a wooden soldier. And Qais Ahmed, who's nursing a side strain, he hits it and hits you through long off. That was a flat and a long Spagiza. Salim again probably going for a Yorker, missed the length. And take a look at that for a swing. Beautifully done, nice and flat, into the advertising boards, and game done and dusted. Ammu Sharks win it by 3 wickets and take above for the Sharks. Well captain, well coach, and in the end they chase it down in style.
You know, he hits the car. Last year he won a car in the lucky draw, and he wins the match for his side, targeting the car over there on the signboards. Qais Ahmed, you beauty. 18.
Spagiza Cricket League 2025 into the 10th year, powered by
And this is what has transpired. 199 for 4 is what Bandia Dragons were able